kids! Let's learn English with pictures!
This is a cat.
This is a dog. This is an apple. This is a ball. This is the sun. This is a bird.
This is a fish.
This is a tree.
This is a car.
This is a house. This is the moon.
This is a train.
This is a tree house.
This is a butterfly.
This is an ice cream. Good job! Like and subscribe for more.